Today we are celebrating the Mahashtami Puja, Navratri Puja. These 9 nights of the Divine Mother are very, very special nights. They are nights of divine transformation and connection. Just like for 9 months, we are nourished and nurtured in our mother's womb. In the same way, during these 9 nights, we are nourished and nurtured in the womb of the Divine Mother. These 9 powerful nights symbolizes the darkness. What is this darkness? It is an external darkness, but an internal darkness that keeps us chained and bound in our lives. The darkness in the form of the 9 egos, as represented by the demons, destroyed by Ma Durga during the Navratri festival, as detailed in the Durga Chalisa, Devi Mahatamya, and Devi Saptati also. The greatest of these demons are Shumbha Nishumbha Vidare Mahishasura Ghati. We always have Arti. We sing in the Arti. Number 1, Shumbha, the sense of I-ness, the sense of individuality or possession, one of the greatest demons. And second demon is Nishumbha, the sense of myness, which manifests as selfishness and a feeling of separation from the world. These are the 2 most difficult demons to be destroyed, and 7 other forms of darkness that in the service of Shumbha and Nishumbha inside of us. In these 9 nights, we strive to identify and offer this darkness to the Mother Divine. In so doing, we come to realize that we are in union with the cosmos and there is no I-ness or myness. There is only oneness and allness. That's what we need in our families. Today, on Ashtami, as we worship Ma Gauri and perform Kanya Pujan in so many parts of India and in the world, let us also pledge to do whatever we can with our power and influence to bring a drastic change in the state of the girl child and women in India. Whilst the divine feminine energy exists in all of us, the women and girls in our society represent the divine feminine to a greater degree, and by serving them, we are actually doing the real Navratri Pujan. That means we must work to educate the girl child, empower every woman with more livelihood, opportunities and skills to provide them. When we work on this, on the outside and the 9 demons on the inside, that is the true essence and significance of Navratri.